So let's see how ChatGPT will help you figure out some grammar. So one of the prompts I suggest is this one. Write short interactions that exemplify the usage of grammar that you have trouble understanding with enough context for a learner of English at your level. So instead of this, you can write, let's say, past perfect, and your level is B1, and then hit enter. And here we have our interactions. Interactions are like mini dialogues. After it stops writing, you can go back and copy it or just see which interactions are most relevant to you. That's how you can figure out how something grammatical works in context. Let's consider another scenario. You are confusing some things in English. So you could ask ChatGPT this. Can you explain the difference in meaning between this structure and this structure using, for example, 3 or 5 specific examples? And let's say you have trouble differentiating between had to and was supposed to, using, let's say, 3 specific examples. Let's have a look. And then you can study the examples and see how it would translate, for example, in your language.